Hello, my friend. I am so excited to be with you here today. I'm here to show you how to use the Digital Marketing Kit, the DMK, to start your business off right with the spring sale that's happening right now. We have shortcuts and easy things for you to do. And you just go to doterra.com/DMK. And then right here at the top row, you'll notice that we have this 20% off. That is the spring essentials. It'll bring you in here. Now, I just want to read you what's said up at the top here. If you're looking for more images, social media content, or education for a specific product, just click on the product's transparent image to access all of its related files. So we have some great videos about Simone talked about. We have some great imagery showing all these cool things. And we've separated each of these into 6 different categories. These categories are so that you can talk about these oils and about these products in a more concise way without just saying, here's all these products that you can look at. Now, if you scroll down, you'll notice that we have graphics for you to build things in Canva or Illustrator or PowerPoint or whatever you want to build it in. But if you want to talk about ginger drops, or let's just say digestion, if I click on this, you'll notice that now I have all the related files. If I want to see everything that's related to this bottle and some lifestyle imagery, I just click on this. I go to education. There's a couple different things with the PIP and a PowerPoint that you have on that. Social media with recipes and things like that. And even videos are all found here. Dr. Riggs explained that. So just want you to see that if you just click into the bottle, you can have access to all of those things. So this is in all 6 categories. Once again, just click into the bottle. All the related files will be below. That's a great way to look at that. And outdoor essentials, overall well-being, relaxation at bedtime, and respiratory support. So we've put these all here to make this easier for you to be able to get there. Now, I want to show you one other thing that happens here at doterra.com. And I'm just going to go to the main doTERRA page. You'll notice spring essentials are here. I want to show you a couple interesting pieces. First off, if you go up to the shop, we have the spring sale as the first thing at the top. This is a page that has everything that's in the spring sale. So you just click on that and you have all the products there. Interestingly enough, as long as you are logged in, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. I'm going to go ahead and put my credentials in there. Now, I can use this share button that we've talked about a bunch of times here. I can use this share button, and that's an attributed link. So it has my information. So if I share this page, people can come see all of these and everything that's available. So this is a great page to share. Also, just if we go shop now from here, if you click on that banner, we have each individual category. Now you could also share this page right here as long as you're logged in. And people can come and say, oh, look at this. These are the different things. I'm going to click into outdoor adventures. If you just want to share the outdoor adventure page with people so they can come in and see the sales, you can click the share button yet again. And this will help you get there. So hopefully between these awesome resources that we have at the Digital Marketing Kit and the amazing resources and sharing abilities that we have on doterra.com, you can make this a successful spring sale. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you very much. I'll talk to you later.